Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Tinder dating app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Tinder is a dating site that helps you connect with people. The first thing you'll have to do is install your Tinder app. Once you have installed your app, tap it open. Once you tap open your Tinder app, here you'll be directed on a page something like this. Here you'll get about three options that are sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and sign in with phone number. You can choose either of the method. Signing in using your Google and Facebook will directly link you to your actual account from Google and Facebook. In this process, however, we will be signing in using our phone number, so tap on it. Here you'll be directed on a page something like this. You'll have to type your phone number here. Once you're done typing in your phone number, tap on next and wait for some time. Then you'll receive a code on the phone number that you have typed earlier. The process will be auto-directed, so once your code has been typed in, tap on the next option that is located right there. Then you'll be directed on this next page where you'll have to type in your email address. Type in your email address and after that tap on the next option once again. And after that, just like before, you'll receive a code on your email address. For this, we'll have to go back and tap open your Gmail. Once you open your Gmail, here as you can see, the code from Tinder is on the very first option. Tap it open. Then you can see the code right here. After that, you'll have to go back and type in the code on the page here. Once you're done typing in the code, tap on the next button. After that, you'll get few options such as if studying is your thing, and you can choose whether you were homeschooled or your university name or your high school name. After that, here you'll get to choose about your lifestyle and all. You can choose to skip this option. Just like that, you'll be directed on few other pages similar to this. You can choose the options that are located here, or you can also choose to skip these for now. Then you'll be directed on this next page where you'll have to put in your pictures. You can choose to keep about 2 to 4 or 6 pictures. You can either take the picture from your camera or choose a picture from your gallery. Here, as you can see, I have chosen 3 pictures from my gallery, and now tap on next. And just like that, after waiting for some time, you'll have successfully signed up on Tinder dating app. And as you saw, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Tinder dating app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.